Yep. So here's a sweet little gun here. What do we have here? Let's see here. Let's see here. Oh, what's that? I think that's a box full of standard capacity Glock mags. I think I got the last bunch of them. Actually, I ordered a bunch more, but I think a bunch are on back order. Oh yeah, these are like totally knockoff brand. .9mm, 30 round with a +3 base plate. That's a box full. Not bad, because you know you need about 20 magazines for each firearm you own, so that'll square one of my Glocks away right there. That's cool. Interesting. Well, I got a bunch of those. A whole box full. I think I ordered more, but some are on back order. So standard capacity Glock mag. Yup, that's how I roll.